In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly step-by-step tutorial. We're going to walk through how to get started with Formly from the very beginning. So if you're brand new to the platform, this will be a simple and easy guide to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official Formly website and open it. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct site before creating an account, especially when you're entering personal login information. Once you're on the homepage, look for a button that says something like Get Started, Sign Up, or a similar option. Click that to begin the account creation process. And before we continue, if you want to try the platform yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That's the quickest way to get to the right page while supporting the channel. After that, fill in the required sign-up details, such as your email address and password. Depending on what Formly currently offers, you may also see alternative sign-up methods, so take a moment to review those if they appear on your screen. Choose the option that works best for you, then complete the registration process. If Formly asks you to verify your account, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from the platform. Open that email and click the verification button, or follow whatever instructions are provided there. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps unlock access to the platform. Once your account is verified, head back to the Formly website, enter your login credentials and click Log In or the equivalent Sign In button. After logging in, you should arrive at the main dashboard. This is the central area where you'll manage your account and work with your forms. Take a moment here to look around at the main navigation and key sections so you know where everything is located. From the dashboard, you can begin creating or managing your forms. For a new user, the first basic action is usually to start a new form or open the area where forms are organized. Keep it simple at this stage and focus on getting familiar with the layout and where to begin. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for Formly, verify your account, log in, and access the dashboard so you can start using the platform. If you want to try it for yourself, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.